I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Discord. Please provide an access token. You can obtain it by visiting the Discord console. New application. Give here a meaningful application name. Click on the checkbox and create. Navigate to the OAuth 2 URL generator. Under the scopes, choose Bot. Give here bot permission. Copy the generated URL and paste it into a new tab to browse. Choose Server. Continue. Authorize. Then go to your server. Now go to your Discord developer site and navigate to the bot. Reset token. Copy the token and paste it into the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose Server. Choose Channel. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. To proceed, please visit your Discord website and navigate to the server. You can see that the data has been successfully received in Discord. Thanks for watching.